Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last video, we have learned different types of numbers in Tulu. Today we are going to learn future tense in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Before we start, let me share the correct answers for the quiz 1 with you. Here are the answers. Question 1. Translate the word mother into Tulu. Answer Appa. Question 2. Translate the word house into Tulu. Answer Illu. Question 3. Translate the word Sudha into English. Answer river. Question 4. Translate the word Bala into English. Answer child. Question 5. Yana Salerdu Batte. Here Salerdu can be translated as answer from the school. Question 6. Ninna Pudar Enchina. Here Ninna can be translated as answer your. Question number 7. The communicative case of the pronoun aye is answer aeda. Question number 8. Conjugate the verb malpu in simple present tense using the pronoun aye. Answer malpuve. Question number 9. Conjugate the verb paru in simple present tense using the pronoun akulu. Answer parper. Question number 10. Conjugate the verb nalipu in simple present tense using the pronoun nikulo. Answer nalipuvar. Question number 11. Akulu leppuver translate into English. Answer they call. Question number 12. I am fine. Translate into Tulu. Answer Yan Usharulle or Yan Saukya. Question number 13. Conjugate the verb tin in simple present tense negative using the pronoun alu. Answer tin pujal. Question number 14. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Yan elle dash. Answer pope. Question number 15. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Aru enada dash. Answer Patiru jer. Question number 16. Aye barpuje. Change the sentence to interrogative form. Answer Aye barpujena or Aye barpujene. Question number 17. Akulu kenver. Change the sentence to interrogative form. Answer Akul kenvera or Akulu kenvere. Question number 18. Write the number 15 in Tulu. Answer Padinainu. Question number 19. Write the number 36 in Tulu. Answer Mupattaji. Question number 20. Write the number 157 in Tulu. Answer Nutaivattelu. Question number 21. Write the number 1360 in Tulu. Answer Saratta Munnutta Ajippa. Question number 22. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. I dash Badaway. He is a poor man. Answer Ori. Question number 23. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Alu dash teacher. She is a teacher. Answer Urti. Question number 24. Third day. Translate the word into Tulu. Answer Mujane Dina. Question number 25. Birds fly in the sky. Translate into Tulu. Answer Pakkilu Akashudu Rapa. Question number 26. I will wait for you. Translate into Tulu. Answer Yana Nikku Kapuva. Question number 27. They don't drink tea. Translate into Tulu. Answer Akulu cha parpujer. Question number 28. I will learn Tulu. Translate into Tulu. Answer Yana Tulu kalpuva. Question number 29. Enku bajel apundu. Translate into English. Answer I feel thirsty. Question number 30. I vanjigantegu barpe. Translate into English. Answer: He will come at 1 o'clock. I hope the quiz was easy and you got 30 out of 30 scores. Now coming back to today's lesson, we have already learned simple present tense in Tulu. As I said, simple present tense form is also used to talk about actions that will happen certainly in the future. For example, Yan epola barpe. I always come. This is in simple present tense. Yan ella barpe. I will come tomorrow. This is in future tense. Today we are going to learn one more tense in Tulu. That is future tense form of verbs. This form is mainly used to express probability or uncertainty. So I call this tense as uncertain future tense. Look at the following sentences. I may come tomorrow. I will probably come tomorrow. These type of sentences can be made in Tulu using uncertain future tense. Let us learn how to conjugate verbs in uncertain future tense first. In simple present tense, we divided verbs into two groups, class A and class B. For class A verbs, we added pu suffix and for class B, we added u suffix to the root verbs and then added personal endings to conjugate verbs in simple present tense. Class A, root verb plus pu plus personal ending. Class B, root verb plus u plus personal ending. To conjugate verbs in future tense, we have to add u suffix to class A verbs instead of pu suffix and then add personal endings. And for class B verbs, no suffix is added. We can directly add personal endings to the root verbs. Class A, root verb plus U plus personal ending. Class B, root verb plus personal ending. Okay, now let us learn personal endings in future tense. Personal endings in future tense are same as simple present tense, except third person neuter singular. First person singular yan. Personal ending is a. Second person singular e. Personal ending is a. Third person masculine singular I or imbe. Personal ending is a. Third person feminine singular alu or molu. Personal ending is al. Third person neutral singular au or undu. Personal ending is u. In simple present tense it was undu. In future tense it changes to u. First person plural nama or inkulu. Personal ending is a. Second person plural nikulu or ir. Personal ending is ar. Third person human plural akulu, ar, mokulu or mer. Personal ending is er. Third person non-human plural aikulu or neikulu. Personal ending is a. Now let us conjugate the verbs koru and keen in future tense. Koru means give. It is a class A verb. We have to add u suffix before adding personal ending. Class A, root verb plus u plus personal ending. Koru plus u plus personal ending. Personal ending for yan is a. Koru plus u plus a. Koruve means I will probably give or I may give. Its simple present form is korpe means I give or I will give. Yan koruve I will probably give. I koruva you will probably give. Aye or imbe koruve he will probably give. Al or mol koruval she will probably give. Au or undu koru it will probably give. As here both future tense suffix and personal ending have the same sound u, only one u is added to the root verb. Nama or inkulu koruva we will probably give. Ir or nikulu koruvar you will probably give. Akulu mokulu aru or mer koruver they will probably give. Nekulu or aikulu koruva they will probably give. Okay, now let us conjugate the another verb kena in future tense. Kena means ask or listen or hear. Let us consider it as ask in this example. It is a class B verb. We have to add the personal endings directly to the root verb. Class B, root verb plus personal ending. Kenu plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Kenu plus a, kene. I will probably ask or I may ask. Its simple present tense form is kenu va, means I ask or I will ask. Yanu kene, I will probably ask. E kena, you will probably ask. I or imbe kene, he will probably ask. Alu or molu kenal, she will probably ask. Au or undu kenu, it will probably ask. Nama or enkulu kena, we will probably ask. Iru or nikulu kener, you will probably ask. Akulu makulu aru or mir kener, they will probably ask. Nekulu or aikulu kena, they will probably ask. Okay, now let us conjugate two more verbs, a and uppu. A means become or happen. It's a class A verb. We have to add u suffix before adding personal ending. Class A, root verb plus o plus personal ending. A plus o plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. A plus o plus a. Ave means I will probably become or I may become. Its simple present tense form is ape, means I become or I will become. Yana ave, I will probably become. E ava, you will probably become. Aye or imbe ave, he will probably become. Alu or molu aval, she will probably become. Au or undu avu, it will probably become or it may happen. Nama or enkulu ava, we will probably become. Iru or nikulu our, you will probably become. Akulu mokulu aru or meer aver, they will probably become. Nekulu or aikulu ava, they will probably become. In Tulu, au is also used to express consent like okay in English. See this example. Enkonji saya malpare. Can you help me? Au yan malpuve. Okay, I will do. Yanirege ella tikkuve. Ave. I will meet you tomorrow. Is that okay? Au malleji. Okay, no problem. Okay, now let us conjugate another verb uppu in future tense. Uppu means be. It is a class B verb. We have to add personal ending directly to the root verb. Class B, root verb plus personal ending. Uppu plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Uppu plus a, uppe. I will probably be or I may be. Its simple present tense form is uppuva, means I am or I will be. Yanu uppe, I will probably be. E uppa, you will probably be. I or imbe uppe, he will probably be. Alu or molu uppal, she will probably be. Au or undu uppu, it will probably be. Nama or enkulu uppa, we will probably be. Iru or nikulu uppar, you will probably be. Akulu mokulu aru or meer upper, they will probably be. Nekulu or aikulu uppa, they will probably be. Verb conjugation in the future tense might be confusing for beginners, but if you know verbs in simple present tense, you can change them to uncertain future tense easily. If you find pu suffix before personal endings in simple present tense, change it to u. And if you find u suffix before personal endings in simple present tense, then just remove it. Here are some of the verbs in simple present tense. Barpe means I come. Pope, I go. Tupe, I see. Panpe, I say or tell. Tinpe, I eat. Unpe, I eat. Kenove, I ask. Malpuve, I do, Telipuve. I smile, Bulipuve. I cry, Nadapuve. I walk, Leppuve. I call, Kapuve. I wait. Now let us change them to uncertain future tense. Verb. Here we can see pu suffix before personal ending, so replace it with u suffix. So it will become baruve. Means I will probably come or I may come. Next one is pope. Here also we can see pu suffix before personal ending, so we have to replace it with u suffix. It becomes pove. Means I will probably go or I may go. In the same way, tupe becomes tuve. Panpe will become panuve. Tinpe, tinuve. Unpe, unuve. Next one is kenuve. Here we can see u suffix before personal ending, so we have to just remove it. It will become kene. Means I will probably ask or I may ask. In the same way, malpuve becomes malpe. Telipuve, telipe. Bulipuve, bulipe. Nadapuve, nadape. Leppuve, leppe. Kapuve, kape. Now let us see few sentences in uncertain future tense. I Satya Panuve. He will probably tell the truth. He may tell the truth. Jagrata, Bura. Be careful, you may fall down. Akulu Yella Pover. They will probably go tomorrow. Alilla Duppal. She may be at home. Yani ni bega pove. I may go soon today. Portau. It will probably be late. Ini Barsabaru. It will probably rain today. I Bejarao. He may feel sad. Alegu Kushiao. She may feel happy. Enku Bangao. It may be difficult for me. Akle Kopavaru. They may get angry. Vanjatonji dina I Pirabaruve. One day he may come back. Nama Ella Saiva. We may die tomorrow. Perinu Puchaparu. Cat may drink the milk. I Ninda Kene. He may ask with you. Yan Vanji Gantadula Yetta. I will probably reach within an hour. Namagenda. We will probably win. Akulu Soper. They will probably lose. Deved Naman Mapumalper. God may forgive us. That's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn negative and interrogative in uncertain future tense. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.